Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your H20 humidifier. First, carefully unpack all the components from the box. Place your humidifier on a flat, stable surface, ensuring it is away from walls and electronics. Next, fill the water tank with clean, distilled water, making sure not to exceed the maximum fill line. Finally, securely plug the power cord into a grounded electrical outlet, ready for operation. Once set up, turn on your humidifier using the power button. You can then select your desired mist level, choosing from low, medium, or high settings, typically found on the control panel. Adjust the humidity output to maintain a comfortable indoor environment, ideally between 40 and 60% relative humidity. Many models also offer a convenient timer function for automatic shut-off after a set duration, such as 2, 4, or 8 hours. Regular maintenance is crucial for your humidifier's longevity and efficiency. Clean the water tank and base every 2 to 3 days to prevent mineral buildup and bacterial growth. Use a soft brush and a mild, non-abrasive detergent for thorough cleaning of all removable parts. Remember to rinse everything completely. Additionally, replace the filter regularly, typically every 1 to 3 months, to ensure optimal performance and clean mist output. To maximize the benefits of your H20 humidifier, position it in a central location within the room for even moisture distribution. Aim to maintain room humidity levels between 40% and 60%. This range is ideal for comfort and health. Avoid placing it too close to walls or furniture. When not in use for extended periods, ensure the humidifier is completely dry and store it in a cool, dry place to prevent mold or mildew growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.